Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We doing Southern fried corn. Hey, if you're from the South, you already know what we about to cook up over here. And if you're not from the South, you finna find out. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, to get started, we're just gonna turn on our cooktop, bring our pan up to temperature over medium heat. Gonna add our bacon, and we're just gonna cook this until it's crispy all the way through. All right, so it looks like we're good right here. Bacon looking good, it's smelling so crispy, I love it, love it. All right, so right now I'm just going to pause our heat and I'm gonna remove our bacon. Once we get our bacon removed, we're gonna come back. All right, so now that I removed our bacon, I left about 2 tablespoons of our bacon grease in there. We'll melt some butter. We're gonna go ahead and add our onions, our green peppers, and we're gonna cook these until they're slightly softened and translucent. This could take about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna go in with our garlic. We're gonna get that moved around in here for about another minute. All right, so after that minute, we're gonna go in next with our corn. And we're gonna get this moved around in here. We're gonna now add our sugar, our Cajun seasoning, and we're gonna add our bacon back into it. Now, some people leave that until last, but I like to add my bacon back into it while the corn cooks. It just adds more of that flavor to it. And guys, we're gonna get this mixed in here, and we're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes, stirring it often all the way through. And guys, during that 30 minutes, you just want to continue to stir this, you know, every now and then. You don't have to stir it for the whole 20 minutes, but definitely every now and then, because you also want it to start frying. So you also don't want to continue to stir because you want it to start frying. All right, guys, so we're about 15 minutes in. I checked the texture of my corn and we're good. This, I don't have to let it go another 5 minutes. I know I said 20, but we're good right here. Guys, take a look at this. Look at that char on that corn. Now listen, if you don't have no char on your corn, that black char somewhere on your corn, hey, you ain't fried no corn, let me tell you that. Get some of that char on there. Let it sit there for about 4 or 5 minutes without moving it. Get that char. That's what makes that fried corn. Any other way, you're just sauteing it in some butter and grease. All right, so we're gonna turn off our heat. We're gonna add some cracked black pepper. Gonna stir in our green onions. Guys, just like that. Let's head over to our cutting board, get it plated up to our final presentation. And there you have it, guys. Southern fried corn with some bacon. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we give it a taste test. All right, we back in here, quality control. Take a look at what we have right here. Y'all already know. Skillet fried corn there, baby. And I got me a little bit on this plate right here. I ain't want to eat off that pretty plate right there. We got some, we're gonna keep that for dinner, man. And we're gonna try it right here. Let's see what it's about. Oh man, hey, that is buttery, bacony, cornery. You ever gotta try this out, baby. Listen, when you watch this, there's always another holiday coming up. So you wanna put this on your table for all your guests, family, friends. So to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.